See ya. He's a wild man. Watch out. Probably not the best thing to be doing, but let's see. Let me see how that works down there. Maybe be a little more gentle, because if we break it, then it has to go to tractor heaven. This thing goes pretty fast, doesn't it?
When it's completely charged.
I was wondering if you could.
I want to keep it on full blast, so when I play a game with Abel and Gavin, my thing will go super fast.
Yeah, they're not allowed to ride it though.
Mhm.
I think. I wonder. Can you take this big piece of this big tree that I chopped down? Could you put that with the other tree? Thank you.
No.
No. It's not a big enough load. There you go. He's getting the hang of it. Burp. I have an idea. You're gonna make a tractor obstacle course? Like, Mr. Thomas, tell me about your adventures with the tractor today. Tell the camera. What are you doing? You have to answer the question. Come back here. Come back. Come back. Arrgh. That was a little juicy. What are you doing? What? Here, come. Go straight to me real quick. I want to see. The wheels look like they might be a little bit crooked. Turn it straight towards me. Yeah, the front wheels might be bowed out a little bit. So next time, don't do that thing where you go like that really quick. Just because it looks like one of the wheels is not completely up and down. Both of them actually. It's okay. Actually, it looks better now that you're moving. What is that face? Why are you barking like a dog? Is that you making that noise? Don't make me turn that thing into slow. Remember, if I put that red thing, it'll only stay in 1. That would be boring. What does that mean when I do this? Do you want to drive the Jeep? I'll give you the keys.
Driving backwards is the best.
Yes. It gets you the opposite way you're going. Whoops. All right, should we make an obstacle course or not? No, maybe next time. I was gonna give you things that you had to like go around and over in the yard, and things you had to pick up. What are you doing? It's against. Oh, how was swim lessons?
I didn't get to go again because I forgot my swimsuit.
You forgot your swimsuit.
Yeah.
Well, who was in charge of making sure you had a swimsuit ready?
No one.
Well, you went all the way to swim and then you couldn't swim? So you drove there and then couldn't swim?
Yes.
Well, who drove you?
Grandma. Or Aunt Nicole.
Did you have a bag?
Yeah.
But there was no swimsuit in the bag?
Mm-hmm.
Do you understand the only thing you need for swim lessons is you and a swimsuit?
I brought everything except...
What did mommy say about that? Or what did grandma say when you got there and there was no swimsuit?
She was like, just swim in your shorts.
Yeah, you could do that. Why didn't you do that?
And I said, you're not allowed to or something. Or said no. I don't know.
Okay. All right, say goodbye to the camera unless you want to say something funny and or smart or wise. Like you can tell the camera you're about to go into 4th grade. Are you being in high school next year? Is that it?
Hello. I'm going to make another video today, but bye-bye for now.
What grade are you going to be in? Peace?
Yes.
Peace grade?
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to get First Communion this year or First Reconciliation or both?
First.
Both.
Second.
Both.
Both.
And then how many hot dogs can you eat in 5 minutes?
2, 3.
3 hot dogs in 5 minutes?
No, 2. No, 1.
Do we have hot dogs?
1.5.
Do we have any hot dogs laying around?
I think so.
I should have made hot dogs for us. Do you like onions? Tell me what you like on your hot dogs. Say yes or no. Ketchup.
Yeah.
Mustard.
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
You do?
No, I do.
Onion?
Now I do.
Onions?
No.
Baked beans? On the hot dog?
Kind of.
Relish?
What the heck is that?
That green weird tasting stuff?
No.
Meat? Coney sauce?
Never had it before.
Okay, that's all. Say goodbye to the camera.